కోక కంటిన సాలయ్య రంగారామయ్యలో
అరే ఏమైంది కాదా దచ్చగాను అలా సంకినాయాల డీజే కొట్టు డీజే
Mr. A. M. Adasa,
President of Malaysia Sinhalese Association,
Tuan Arwin Aplasami,
Special Officer of Indian Affairs to YAB, Dato Seri Zahid Hamidi, Deputy Prime Minister of Malaysia,
Mr. Tangga Ganesan,
President of Malaysia Hindu Sangam,
Mr. G.K. Nadarajan,
Vice President of Malaysia Hindu Dharma Mandram,
Sri Mohan Reddy,
President of the Federation of NRI Cultural Associations Malaysia,
Mr. Gunasekaran,
President of Global Organization of People of Indian Origin Malaysia,
Mr. Gunasekaran Kandaswamy, Mr. Muttamil Mandan,
President of Pertubuhan Media Tamil Malaysia,
members of the Central Working Committee. Srimati Subhashini Garu to say a few words.
YB Saraswati Kandaswamy Ma'am, Deputy Minister of National Unity, Government of Malaysia. Dr. S. Venkata Pratap Garu, President of Telugu Association of Malaysia. Dr. Achaya Kumar Rao Garu, Advisor, Satya Sudhakaran Ji, Organizing Chairman, Dato Daljit Singh Ji, Dato Surya Narayan Garu, representatives from various community and cultural organizations here in Malaysia, distinguished members of the Telugu community, good afternoon and namaste. High Commission of India తరపు నుంచి అందరికీ ఉగాది శుభాకాంక్షలు. Today we are gathered here and I see a very big crowd. I think we are almost 1,000 people today to celebrate one of the most vibrant and meaningful festivals of our culture, Ugadi, or a celebration of a new age. This is a time for renewal of hopes, of goals and life itself. Congratulations to Telugu Association of Malaysia for organizing this grand celebration and for showcasing the rich heritage of Telugu culture here in Malaysia through an informative musical and artistic performances today. We got a good glimpse of the Telugu cuisine also. Thank you for that rich treat before starting this function. Telugu Association of Malaysia has been active in its efforts. We understand that you organize regular Telugu classes all over the country and keep the language alive. This is very commendable, sir. High Commission is grateful for the active participation of the Telugu Association of Malaysia in all our outreach activities, our cultural programs, and also for your vibrant participation in our Samagam language series, which talked about the preservation and promotion of various Indian languages that are thriving here in Malaysia today, including Telugu. A special word of appreciation for all the artists performing today and also the organizers of this function for all their hard work in putting together this grand effort. The rich history of Telugus in Malaysia and the pioneering efforts of early Telugu migrants to preserve the traditions, customs and the Telugu language is well known. I'm sure the learned audience here, many of you are well aware of Ms. Malini Ramanan's book on Malaysian Telugus, which describes that Telugu-ness is indeed flourishing in Malaysia. Friends, back to Ugadi. The traditional dish made for Ugadi, the pachadi, which we just got to taste here, containing the arusuvai, the 6 tastes, reminds us that celebrations and adversities are a part of life and have to be met with equal grace. Talking of meeting adversities with grace, friends, you're very well aware that India witnessed on 22nd April a barbaric and savage terrorist attack and the killing of 25 Indian tourists and one from Nepal at Pahalgam in our Jammu and Kashmir, causing the largest number of civilian casualties in a terrorist attack in India since the 26 November 2008 attacks in Mumbai. India has exercised its right to respond and preempt, as well as deter more such cross-border attacks. These actions were measured, non-escalatory, proportionate and responsible. They focused on dismantling the terrorist infrastructure and disabling terrorists likely to be sent across to India. India is facing the adversary of terror with determination and responsibility. Provocative and escalatory actions are being responded to proportionately, adequately, and responsibly. Friends, Ugadi is not just about traditions and rituals, it's also about reflection and resolution. It's a time to look back, learn from the past, and move forward with hope and importantly, strength, which we all, and this is what we all will do. Thank you very much and thank you for inviting the High Commission to your wonderful event. Wish you happy Ugadi to all of you. Thank you.
गणपतिं भावये धिमि धिमि धिमित झनु झनु झनुत किट किट किटत दिवि पदमुदं मद सरसिजं मग पमनि पह मद कदनिकं मद कलिमुदं प्रणवनि नगं अजितं अनगं शुभदं परमं कनकावरधरणं एकरतनं
మరొకసారి అతని లేచి నిలబడవలసిందిగా మరియు గట్టిగా మీ చప్పట్లతో వైబీ గారికి ధన్యవాదాలు తెలుపుకుంటాం. And now the moment we all been waiting for. We are deeply privileged to have with us a true advocate of inclusion, harmony and national unity, our chief guest of honor. With immense pride I invite YB Senator Saraswati Kanaswamy to deliver a special address and officially launch TAM Ugadi Fest 2025. ధన్యవాదాలు. Their outstanding, esteemed contributions.
ఈ మహోన్నత ఘట్టమైన తామ్ ఉగాది సంబరాల పురస్కరించుకొని మలేషియా తెలుగు సంఘం వారి పూర్వ నాయకులకు సంఘానికి గట్టి స్తంభంగా ఉన్న కేంద్ర యువజన మహిళ మరియు విద్యా విభాగంలోంచి కొందరిని సత్కరించడం వారికి బిరుదులు అందించడంలో సంఘం గర్విస్తుంది.
Now, we would like to request the recipients please be ready. Let's start with Malaysia Telugu Deepam Puraskaram. Calling onto the stage Srimati Saraswati Maranaya teacher garu. TAM Telugu and every similar branch. Papaya garu is also leading a few other Indian non-governmental organizations. On behalf of Telugu Association of Malaysia, we thank you, Sri Papaya Rajmen garu. Next, Sri Balasubramanyam Mahalakshmanan garu, Chairman of Tam Sityavan branch, a teacher by profession. For the record purposes, Tam Sityavan is regarded as one of the top performing branch in terms of Telugu classes attendance.
What you